Hey, good morning. It is Saturday the 24th of June. I'm officially an indoor skydive instructor. Very, very proud of myself and so happy that I can call myself that now. I passed my instructor's course yesterday, so I'm really excited about it. I just dropped Yash off at the drop zone. So there's a drop zone called Black Knights, and I've just dropped him off here. Yeah, I'm just in the car park. I went for a wee, changed my shorts because I was in different purple ones, but I wanted the bright ones because I love them so much. But I am going to drive to the Lake District now and go and enjoy my day there. I need to just plan it out really quick and then I will drive up to the lakes. Also, I'm really hoping that my camera doesn't run out of battery. Basically, I've got one battery. Well, I have two, but I have no idea where the other one is. So I've basically just got this battery that I've been using for the last 4 weeks, and I have no idea how it's still got charging it. I'm going to try my best to vlog everything today. And I brought my GoPro with me, but no micro SD card, so that was great. Great planning there. But yeah, I'm going to try and film as much as I can. Hopefully do some wild swimming, but yeah, it should be good. I'm in Windermere. Ah! I've been to Windermere once before. I can't remember what year I came, but it was when I was an air cadet and I remember it being gorgeous. I'm at the Viewpoint car park. I just thought it's on the way to Rydal Cave, which is kind of my first aim. But Windermere was like on the way and I was like, well, I'm not gonna miss it. But it's gorgeous. I can see the lake. I can see the lake. This is what it looks like from the car. I'll get out in a minute. But wow, look at it. Oh, I'm so excited to be here. I feel so fucking good when I travel and I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so I've made it to Rydal Cave, like the car park. I think there's some like stepping stones near. I kind of want to see where they are because they looked really cool. The roads are gorgeous! Everything is so beautiful here, I don't get it. It's like loading, not loading, not loading. Ooh. That bit's really dark, but it's amazing. Like, I walked in and you just get this overwhelming sense of like, wow, nature's fucking awesome. Also, there's loads of fish in the water, which is really cool. I'll show you in a minute. I'm trying to get a picture. Do you see the vision? Me there. That would be cool, but we'll see. Let's see if I can get the shot. I feel like I've taken it all in now. But look how gorgeous it is. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you the fish. Hello. I wanted to just sit and chat for a second because, like, look at this view. That's fucking gorgeous. Oh my god. It's like 10:20 and this lady saw me at the, like, car park ticket machine. She was like, oh, I've got this parking ticket till 20 to 11. You can have it if you want. I'm like, yes, fucking please. So I have 20 minutes to get back to the car. It's like a 15-minute walk. So I'm just gonna take this in for another 5 minutes and then I'll walk back, but I'm so happy to be here. The cave is amazing. It's so pretty. There's loads of little fishies in the water. My foot is a little bit wet now, I'm not gonna lie, but well worth it. But this view is incredible. I'm so happy about that lady at the car park. It genuinely made my day. I was like, oh, You've saved me £4. I've got nothing to offer in return, but you've saved me £4, so thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I love people. What a fucking cool place to run. She was so nice. People are so nice. Ah. I love people right now. That lady at the car park and that lady just then. She ran across, she was like, have a good day. I'm like, yes, you too. It was such a cool place to run. Oh, life is so good. Anyway, right, I'm gonna enjoy this, bye. Okay, I'm back to phone videos because my camera battery is running really low. I'm also going to like a waterfall to go and wild swim, so it's probably not the best idea to take my camera. I found a park. Obviously have to go in it. Can't see any poles that are suitable though, which is annoying, but I'm gonna enjoy the park for like a couple seconds. Oh my god, this is a fire. It's so pretty. That's what I'm aiming for. I can see it. Hello, hello. I am walking to Ghyll, which is a waterfall. Pretty sure I can see it. It's over there. I like how scenic it is here. It's gorgeous. I crossed a little river on a little bridge. It was really cute. Yeah, I'm going to try and wild swim here, which will be my first time ever wild swimming, so we'll see how it goes. I also need to find a place to change into a bikini top because I just have a sports bra on right now, so we'll see. And I'm hungry, so I'm going to have my lunch. I'm excited. I'm excited for the day. I've kind of planned out the rest of my day now. There's a couple of car parks I still need to figure out, but I think I'm going to head back down to Manchester tonight. I'll get there at like 9 PM, but then I can get a good night's rest and wake up for the Peak District tomorrow. So that should be fun. Guess where I am? So apparently you can wild swim at this one. This is where I currently am. The waterfall's behind there. No clue how to get there. And this path is no longer really a path. But we're going to explore, it's fine. We'll find a way, I'm sure. It'd be cool to swim in there. It'd be my first time like trying wild swimming, so that would be really cool. We'll see. See if I get there. I also changed into my trainers out of my Vans, so I don't ruin my Vans. Pretty sure that there is the pool. But there's nobody else at the moment, so I don't know. Maybe. It's very fast water though. No idea how to get there. Other than using the waterfall as a water slide, which probably isn't the best idea. But I'm going to climb to the top of the waterfall anyway, because seeing the top of the waterfalls was so cool. Found it. sun's coming out. Hello once again. I have finished my wild swimming. I did not skinny dip because 2 girls turned up, and I just thought, like, I'm comfortable with it. I don't care if they see my boobs, but like, I don't want them to be uncomfortable. Anyway, I digress. I'm eating my hamburger for lunch, and I'm walking back to the car at a little bit of pace because my car park ticket runs out. Such good energy there. That was really, really fun. I'm going to do more wild swimming. And I called my mum whilst I sat and started my lunch. But yeah, I'm going to walk back to the car. So, I thought I'd explore. The lake is the other way, so I kind of want to see that. I can see it now, but it's over there. So I'm gonna walk back down, and hopefully try and like cross the road or something and go see the lake. I don't know how to get there, but I'll walk. Hi. Computer desktop background. Look at it. Look at it. Kind of gotta be quick because I'm on the side of the road, but I had to fucking stop. Look at it. It's so gorgeous. There's people up there. Oh, it's so fucking gorgeous. There's a waterfall. I'll show you. There's a waterfall just here and a person at the top. I need to go and see the waterfall now, like up close. I need to go and see that waterfall. The car park's like 6 minutes away, but then it's an hour walk from the waterfall, so like to the waterfall. Anyway, yeah. Just look at it though, it's just, oh, so fucking gorgeous. Okay, I have no signal, so I have no idea where I am in terms of the next car park. I'm basically aiming for a car park in Buttermere that is like halfway between 2 lakes, and I can see the end of a lake, so I'm hoping I'm at the right end, if that makes sense. Parked quite precariously. Evidence A. Basically just in the road, but people have parked here. Like, I'm not the only one, so it's okay. Hopefully I come back to my car in one piece. Yeah, I'll try and go for a little walk here. I'll see where I go, but I might not get to that waterfall. I don't know, we'll see. But basically after this I'm going to Wastwater, or however you pronounce it, I don't know, which is really pretty, and then I'll go back, like drive back home. Okay, I think I have decided. I'd rather like enjoy my time here than try and rush and fit everything in. So what I'm gonna do is skip the waterfall. It's an hour walk there, an hour walk back. So it's 2 hours to see a waterfall. I've seen 2 today. I'm happy. You know, I swam under a waterfall for like an hour today. Like, I can't ever get enough waterfalls, but I've got lots of driving to do today and tomorrow, so I'll conserve my energy a little bit and get back at a reasonable hour so that I can wake up really early for the Peak District tomorrow. Woo! I also really need a wee, so maybe the lake, maybe the lake. I'm debating going swimming. So pretty. Just so scenic, I love it. It's like too much for my eyes to take in. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's also not actually that deep, which is really nice. And the water's actually really clear, which is cool. Second beach holiday of the year. I feel so full and so happy, just like full of happy energy and like love, and I love life right now. I love myself right now. Like, I feel so good. This suitcase is coming off the chair though. I've got my stuff and I've got Yasha's stuff in here. He's at the drop zone currently. Where are my biscuits? I'm trying to find my biscuits. I might get changed into my purple sports bra again. Yeah, it's been such an incredible day. Like, I started off my morning by looking at a cave and exploring a cave, and then I went and swam under a fucking waterfall. And then I went and hiked and found another waterfall. And now I just swam in a lake. Like, I've never wild swam before, and now I've done it twice. Like, I'm so proud of myself. It's so cool. I'm gonna get changed. Wrong channel for that kind of content, so I'll see you in a minute. Hello, my final stop for the Lake District for today. It's Stanley Ghyll Waterfall. I was going to try and drive down this road, but it says it's unfit for motors. It's a 9-minute drive, so I don't know how long it's going to be. I'm debating running it because it's 6:30 and I am quite tired, but we'll see. Blue sky, blue sky. There you go, mini waterfall. A tiny one. 4 miles in total, and I kind of want to be heading back in the next hour, so... Ooh, there's a bug. It's like 2 miles is like 3 and a bit kilometres, right? Running, that would take me like 18 minutes, but running on like a nice normal path and not gravel, so it's going to take me at least 40 minutes if I'm running. Yeah, we'll see how I go. I mean, I know that I'll do it, obviously, because I want to see the waterfall. But yeah, energy levels are lacking, but I'll have dinner when I get back to the car, so. It's a little sheepy, so cute. Okay, little bit of a dilemma. I'm in the middle of farmers' fields, basically. I mean, it's a gorgeous view, don't get me wrong. Fucking gorgeous, and the clouds. Wow, look at the sky. Anyway, it's gorgeous. Google Maps keeps telling me there's a 27-minute walk to this waterfall, but there's no direct route, and I'm already lost and don't know my way back to my car. So I don't want to go any further and not be able to get back to my car, if that makes sense. Which is a bit sad, but you know, I've seen 2 waterfalls today. I'm happy. I'm a happy gal. And it's so sunny now as well. The sun has come out. Happy today. But yeah, I'm gonna give up with the waterfall because I'm just like, I'm wasting time trying to find it, and I'm getting frustrated because I'm tired. So I'm just gonna prioritise driving the 2 hours back. Kind of need to stay awake for that, so yeah, I'll walk back to my car, have a bit of dinner, and by dinner I mean ham sandwich, because it's the one thing in my car, and then I'll drive back to Manchester, and then I'm doing the Peak District tomorrow, so I'm really excited for that. I'm also seeing 2 of my friends, which will be amazing. But yeah, anyway, let's walk back. Okay, may or may not have gotten lost in the farmers' fields, may or may not have had a little cry about it, but I'm okay now. Emotional release, it's fine, whatever. I think I'm just a bit stressed, but I'm okay. I just don't like being lost in fields on my own, which I feel like is quite understandable. I am now on the right track, and I do know where I am, I think. Yeah, I can see my car, so I know where I'm going now, which is a positive. It was just a stressful 5 minutes where I turned around and went, where the fuck am I? I don't know where I am. So I was like, I didn't want to walk any further to the waterfall because I was fucking lost. I had no idea where I was going. So I didn't want to push it. And I thought, oh, I'll turn back around and go back to the car, it's fine, whatever. And I turned back around and I had no idea where I was. So that's fun. It's just up there. There's a car park up there. Look at it.